Today we are going to do question 3 of A levels math 9709 variant 32 May June 2024. In this question we are given with an equation a to the power of 2y minus 1 is equals to b to the power of x minus 1 where a and b are constants. We have to show that the graph of y against x is a straight line. We are going to take a log of this equation ln of a to the power of 2y minus 1 is equals to ln of b to the power of x minus y. We are going to use the property of the log, the power property of the log, which state that the logarithm of a power is the exponent times the logarithm of the base. So it means that 2y minus 1 ln of a would become x minus y times ln of b. If we distribute it, it would become 2y ln of a minus ln of a equals to x ln of b minus y ln of b. It would become 2y ln of a plus y ln of b equals to x ln of b plus ln of a. Taking y common, it would become 2 times ln of a plus ln of b is equals to x ln of b plus ln of a. If we rearrange it, now we are going to use the product property of the log, which states that the sum of the log is equals to the product of the log. So it would become y into ln of a square times b. That would be equal to x ln of b plus ln of a. Making y as a subject, it would become x ln of b divided by ln of a square b plus ln of a divided by ln of a square b. We know that b and a are constants. So this would be a constant and ln of a divided by ln of a square b is also constant. So we are left with y equals to constant time x plus another constant, make it d. So this is which is an equation of straight line. Moving to part B, we are told that a is equals to b cube and we have to state the equation of the straight line in the form of y is equals to px plus q, where p and q are rational numbers in the simplest form. So what we are going to do, we are going to put the value of a into our previous equation. Our previous equation was y is equals to x ln of b divided by ln of a square b plus ln of a divided by ln of a square b. Now replace the value of a, so it would become y is equals to x ln of b divided by ln of b to the power of 6 times b plus ln of b cube divided by ln of b to the power of 6 times b. It would become y equals to x times ln of b divided by ln of b to the power of 7 plus ln of b cube divided by ln of b7. Again, we are going to use the power property. So y equals to x ln of b. So this power would comes at the coefficient. So it would become 7 ln of b plus 3 ln of b divided by 7 ln of b. Ln of b cancels with ln of b, ln of b cancels with ln of b. It would become y equals to x by 7 plus 3 by 7. So we can say that p is equals to 1 by 7 and q equals to 3 by 7.